The only two words I associated with math was horrible and humiliating. I remember at my previous school, my teacher used to pick out students randomly, and I was so scared, and I remember I could just focus on like, don't pick me, don't pick me. I was so frightened to make eye contact, so I remember I just looked down all the time. I couldn't pay attention. I really didn't want to be there, and I didn't learn anything at all.
Has your experience of math changed throughout your first year in the high school, and describe that?
Yes, it has. As I mentioned earlier, I started to feel more safe in class, and then I started to ask more questions. It was funnier to do math because I started to understand it.
I'm never concerned about not knowing the answer. I feel that we are taken care of, and I feel safe asking questions without being, judged.
A lot of times throughout the year now in high school, I see people who are very brave and asks, even though it looks like everyone has understood it, they dare to ask, and that's I don't know. I get a respect for those students. Yeah.
The social thing in our class is really good. We trust each other, and I feel that everybody can talk about or go to the blackboard if they want.
I think it's kind of interesting in watching other people's way to understanding, and sometimes I feel the urge, I want to help them understand it. When I know that I'm going to teach something away, it pushes me to learn it even better and get a bigger understanding.
Yeah, I've gone from hating math to actually liking it a lot, to actually liking to learn new stuff, and it feels so good, that feeling I get during math. So yes, it has changed.
I don't think that's something that does itself. It needs to be, it needs to have someone to start this discussion in the class. I think that's really important.
So you think it was created from the teacher?
I think so.